is a DRAGONSTAFF tutorial, and it's going to be on this kind of paddling, this pre-chi roll kind of move, the move that comes before the chi roll. This is what it looks like, and hopefully here's how to learn it. So we're going to get started with just rolling it up and down your arms, and get comfortable with this idea of it rolling up and down, and having the centre point in between your arms so it's nicely balanced on two rails. It's rolling it up and down. Don't think you see. I'm going to show you that from the side as well. You can see it's rolling and then it stops and changes direction at the top. And for this move we're going to roll it away from us. So it's going to be rolling this direction, down my arms. And if you can already do something like this from like racket sports or from being a kid, that's pretty useful. This is just, I'm pushing it back to my thumb and rolling it down my thumb all the way down to my fingers. Don't know if you can see that from the side, but this is the general idea of what we're going to do now. So rolling it away from us, we're going to throw it back to the elbows. Like that. And now we're going to do it split time, as it were. Like this. Or like this. So in this one, I'm just kind of flicking it with my fingers back up to my elbow and then letting it straighten out again, so there's no like pushing it to create a change in the spin direction, and just letting it roll back down again. There might be some little motion of my arms to make that happen. So again, it's just that flick of my hand. Now there's two things you can do here that we want to learn. I want you to learn like this idea of pulling, the pulling motion underneath it to generate more roll. So I can, like a burn off, pull my hands underneath the staff to give it more roll. So in that, I'm kind of using this angle as well. So I'm using my other arm to pull it again, so I can feel it using the friction or the drag on my other arm while it's on my hand and I'm pulling it back. Pulling it. That's my Scottish accent. Okay, so there's that. And again, you can do this quite statically, so the staff isn't really changing direction. But now we want to learn to do this kind of big, changing direction side to side kind of thing as well, because that's going to be part of the chi roll too. So in that regard, this changing direction here to here is completely independent of the roll. So the spin now is independent of the roll. The roll keeps going the same direction, but the spin keeps going back and forth. Okay? So again, we're doing it like this, and then we can use our bicep or our upper arm to hit it and change direction to go back the other way. So you'll see also that my arm is pointing down, and that's another way to generate roll. Because gravity. Cause gravity. Go. So here, you'll see it's kind of doing a backward circle. It doesn't have to do that, it can just go straight, but for now, we're just going to do it however it feels most natural to do it. Which should be doing this circle backwards. So once you've got that idea, you don't have to use this push, you can use the back of your hands and do it like this. Or you can use the other parts of your body, have it roll down your belly. Or a little bit further if you like, down onto your leg. Think you can do it. No, I don't think you can do it like that, just with your body. But there's lots of experimentation to be done just with this move by itself.